Truly, magandang gabi ang nagdaang Miss Universe Philippines Coronation Night. Bukod sa nagagandahang candidates, biro ng ilang netizens, tila si Kapuso It Girl Gabby Garcia ang true winner. Bukod sa kanyang exceptional hosting skills, napansin din ng netizens ang pagrampa niya hindi lang ng isang gown, kundi 5 gowns made by 5 Filipino designers. Sabi ni Gabby on IG, there was a lot of running, screaming, and pressure to pull off the looks. May 5 to 10 minutes lang daw para magpalit, pero na-pull off pa rin nila ito. At gusto lang daw i-clear ni Gabby na hindi raw siya ang dahilan ng long commercial breaks, gaya ng biro ng netizens. Slay agad si Gabby sa first outfit of the night, ang Datu, a bronze body armor by Chita Rivera, na sumisimbolo ng leadership, legacy, and pride. A celebration of femininity naman, ang purple flowy outfit na tinawag na babaylan by Martin Bautista. Fierce, fearless, and proud, ang warrior-inspired white outfit by Jazz Cerezo. Fashion meets heritage naman, ang artisan gown na gawa ni Jaggy Glarino na banig-inspired. Hinangaan din ang white farmer interpretation ni Vania Romoff na nagbigay pugay sa katatagan ng mga taga-ani ng ating bansa.
I'm actually working with 5 Filipino designers that I super love. I'm really grateful for the team. The theme is pre-colonial, and I'm just so excited for the outcome.